latest topics, current topics, as well as the impact of COVID-19. But today, for the first time in our program, for which is there for last 5.5 months or more, we are taking a break. We are bringing you something different, an entertainment program. Yes, you heard rightly. And that is Bhule Bisre Geet and Ghazals. Before I will introduce my very, very distinguished guest, a singer, renowned online singer, I would like to say a few things about the Geet or the songs and the Ghazals. A Geet or song is a musical composition intended to be performed by the human voice. This is often done at distinct and fixed pitches, melodies, using patterns of sound and silence. Songs contain various forms, such as those including the repetition and variation of sections. Written words created specifically for music or for which music is specifically created are called lyrics. If a pre-existing poem is set to composed music in classical music, is it an art song? Songs that are sung on repeated pitches without distinct contours and patterns that rise and fall are called chants. Songs composed in a simple style that are learned informally by ear are often referred to as folk songs. Songs that are composed for professional singers who sell their recordings or live shows to the mass market are called popular songs. These songs, which have broad appeal, are often composed by professional songwriters, composers, and lyrists. Art songs are composed by trained classical composers for concert or recital performance. Songs are performed live and recorded on audio or video. Ghazal is a form of amatory poem or ode originating in Arabic poetry. A ghazal may be understood as a poetic expression of both the pain of loss or separation and the beauty of love in spite of that pain. The ghazal form is ancient, tracing its origins to 7th century Arabic poetry. The ghazal spread into South Asia in the 12th century due to the influence of Sufi mystics and the courts of the new Islamic Sultanate, and it's now most prominently a form of poetry of many languages of the Indian subcontinent and Turkey. In style and content, due to its highly elusive nature, the ghazal has proved capable of an extraordinary variety of expressions around its central theme of love and separation. So today we are going to listen Bhule Bisre Geet and Ghazals. Bhule Bisre means forgotten. The songs are still evergreen, but they are quite old and we want to remember them. And for that, we have a very, very talented, renowned online artist, Mr. Ravi Sharma. Welcome, Mr. Ravi Sharma, on our show. Mr. Ravi Sharma is a renowned online singer. He started his classical music training when he was only 10 years old. He was trained by the finest gurus like Pandit Jagdish Narayan Sharma and the world-famous ghazals duo Ustad Ahmad Hussain and Ustad Muhammad Hussain. He sang for Doordarshan and did live shows along with Hussain brothers. He got a breakthrough when Pandit Hari Om Sharanji, Bhajan Maestro, heard him and offered to take him to Mumbai. But due to some circumstances, he could not go to Mumbai. But he continued his training like Eklavya. Today, he is performing live on many online platforms like Facebook, etc. While COVID has caused immense destruction across humanity, Mr. Sharma believes that music has a great healing power. Welcome, Mr. Ravi Sharma, on our show. And Mr. Ravi Sharma is going to perform or is going to sing the first the Aradhana or the Aarti or the Stuti of Ganpati Ji, sang by Pandit Hari Om Sharan Ji, who was his guru also. Shri Hari Om Sharan Ji was born in 1932, was a devotional singer and lyrist. As a bhajan singer in the 1970s, he recorded albums such as Premanjali, Pushpanjali, and Data Ek Ram. During his devotional recordings, spanning over 35 years, he released over 20 bhajan albums. Over to Mr. Ravi Sharma ji to start his performance.
Thank you so much, Goel Saab, for this opportunity. Feel so proud and privileged that this is for the first time that you've ventured out into a slightly entertaining sort of a program other than the normal serious ones, as you rightly mentioned, the COVID that's hit the whole globe so badly. So I'm really grateful for having given me this opportunity. Without much ado, I'll start with a small stuti, Ganpati Stuti. रख लाज मेरी गणपति, रख लाज मेरी गणपति, अपनी शरण में लीजिए, कर आज मंगल गणपति, अपनी कृपा कीजिए, रख लाज मेरी गणपति। सिद्धि विनायक दुख हरण, संताप हारी सुख करण, सिद्धि विनायक दुख हरण, संताप हारी सुख करण, संताप हारी सुख करण, करूं प्रार्थना में नित प्रति, वरदान मंगल दीजिए, रख लाज मेरी गणपति।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शर्मा जी, बहुत ही अच्छी स्तुति से अपना प्रोग्राम आपने शुरू किया. So we have started our program with a prayer. Now we are going back in the history, and the first name which comes to our mind is Mr. K.L. Sehgal. Shri Kundan Lal Sehgal or K.L. Sehgal, born in 1904, was an Indian singer and actor who is considered the first superstar of the Hindi film industry. Sehgal's unique voice quality, which was a mixture of baritone and soft tenor, was the benchmark for most of the singers who followed him. In fact, it remains the gold standard even today, shining through very early and practically primitive recording technology. Today, Mr. Ravi Sharma is going to sing his very, very famous song, Main Kya Janu. Mr. Ravi Sharma, please.
मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है, जादू है, जादू है। मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है, इन दो मत वाले नैनों में जादू है, जादू है, जादू है। मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है, एक अथा सागर सा है, एक अथा सागर सा है, इन दो मत वाले नैनों में जादू है, जादू है, जादू है। मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है। मन पूछ रहा है अब मुझसे, नैनों ने कहा है क्या तुझसे। मन पूछ रहा है अब मुझसे, नैनों ने कहा है क्या तुझसे। जब नैन मिले नैनों ने कहा, नैनों ने कहा, जब नैन मिले नैनों ने कहा, अब नैन बसेंगे नैनों में। मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है, जादू है, जादू है। इन दो मत वाले नैनों में जादू है, जादू है, जादू है। मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है।
बहुत बहुत ही सुंदर. As we all know that to sing the song of Mr. KL Sehgal is very very tough, and many people tried, but Mr. Sehgal, no one can beat him. But Mr. Sharma's this song very much reached to the what Mr. Sehgal used to sing. Thank you very much, Mr. Sharma, for giving such a beautiful and wonderful, nice performance. Now, the next performance is of Mr. Pankaj Malik. Shri Pankaj Malik, born in 1905, was a popular Bengali Indian music composer and playback singer who was a pioneer of film music in Bengali cinema and Hindi cinema at the advent of playback singing, as well as an early exponent of Ravindra Sangeet. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1970, followed by the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1972 for lifetime contribution to Indian cinema. And today, Mr. Ravi Sharma is going to sing the famous song of Pankaj Malik ji, that is Piya Milan Ko Jana.
पिया मिलन को जाना, हाँ पिया मिलन को जाना, जग की रात मन की मौतों को निभाना, पिया मिलन को जाना, हाँ पिया मिलन को जाना। कांटे बिखरा के चलूं, पानी ढलका के चलूं, कांटे बिखरा के चलूं, पानी ढलका के चलूं, सुख के लिए सीख रखूं, सुख के लिए सीख रखूं, पहले दुख उठाना, पिया मिलन को जाना, हाँ पिया मिलन को जाना। पायल को बांध के, पायल को बांध के, कुट्टी चुगनाग के, पायल को बांध के, धीरे धीरे दबे दबे पाँव को बढ़ाना, पिया मिलन को जाना, हाँ पिया मिलन को जाना। बुझे दिए अंधेरी रात, आँखों पर दोनों हाथ, बुझे दिए अंधेरी रात, आँखों पर दोनों हाथ, कैसे कटे कठिन बात, कैसे कटे कठिन बात, चल के आजमाना, पिया मिलन को जाना, हाँ पिया मिलन को जाना, जाना पिया मिलन को जाना, जाना पिया मिलन को जाना, पिया मिलन को जाना, हाँ पिया मिलन को जाना।
बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही खूबसूरत। और रवि जी, मैं बताऊं कि हमारे पास ग्लोबल टीवी पे बहुत पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, सब आपकी बहुत तारीफ कर रहे हैं। वाह 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 रवि जी, आई कैन जस्ट रीड, क्या बात है रवि जी, व्हाट ब्लेस्ड सिंगर यू आर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड। मिस्टर प्रदीप जो, दिस वाज रिटन बाय वृंदा वाघ। Another our viewer has mentioned, Pradeep Joshi said, रवि बाबू आप खूब अच्छा गा रहे हैं, कीप इट अप। बहुत 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 आपकी तारीफ आ रही हैं। आप लोगों को भी, जिसको भी लगता है कि इस तरह का प्रोग्राम हमें दिखाना चाहिए, दे कैन वेरी वेल पुट इट ऑन द ग्लोबल टीवी, देयर कमेंट्स, so and whatsoever they are feeling about this today's program of Mr. Ravi Sharma, the Bhule Bisre Geet and Ghazals. Now moving to the next artist, he is Mr. C.H. Atma. Shri C.H. Atma was a Bollywood playback singer, ghazal singer and film actor. He was born in 1923. He was the first singer from India to tour and sing outside India in Nairobi, East Africa in 1957. He fell ill after his singing tour to England in 1975 and left for, on 6th December 1975, aged 52. And today, Mr. Ravi Sharma is going to sing his very popular song, "Ro Main Sagar Ke Kinare."
रो मैं सागर के किनारे, सागर हंसी उड़ाए, रो मैं सागर के किनारे, सागर हंसी उड़ाए, रो मैं सागर के किनारे सागर हंसी उड़ाए। क्या जाने ये चंचल नजरें, क्या जाने ये चंचल लहरें, मैं हूँ आग छुपाए। रोऊं मैं सागर के किनारे सागर हंसी उड़ाए। रोऊं मैं सागर के किनारे। मैं भी इतना डूब चुका हूँ, मैं भी इतना डूब चुका हूँ। क्या तेरी गहराई काहे होड़ लगाए मुझसे, काहे होड़ लगाए। रोऊं मैं सागर के किनारे सागर हंसी उड़ाए। रोऊं मैं सागर के किनारे। तुझ में डूबे चांद मगर एक चांद ने मुझे डुबाया। तुझ में डूबे चांद मगर एक चांद ने मुझे डुबाया। मेरा सब कुछ लूट के छुप गई चांदनी रात की माया। मेरा सब कुछ लूट के छुप गई चांदनी रात की माया। अरमानों की चिता सजा के अरमानों की चिता सजा के मैंने आग लगाई। अब क्या आग बुझाए मेरी, अब क्या आग बुझाए। रोऊं मैं सागर के किनारे सागर हंसी उड़ाए। रोऊं मैं सागर के किनारे।
बहुत सुंदर। और वी आर रिसीविंग मैसेजेस कंटिन्यूअसली, वी आर रिसीविंग मैसेजेस। सुरभि मिश्रा, गुरुजी प्रणाम। मामा बहुत सुंदर। सुनीता शुक्ला, वाह सुपर्ब। मधु शर्मा, क्या खूब। मुकुंद अग्रवाल, लवली, सुपर्ब सिंगिंग एज ऑलवेज। Viranda Wag, thanks Goel ji for giving us this treat, soothing absolutely. We are also getting comments on V4 stream. You can also put the comments on V4 stream or V4 News or Global TV. Lots of comments are coming. So anyway, we will take the next song. Otherwise, if we will read, time is not that much, and we do not want to leave any song unsung, which already decided with Mr. Sharma. Now our next artist is Mr. Talat Mahmood. Shri Talat Mahmood, born in 1924, was an Indian playback singer who is considered as one of the greatest male Indian non-classical and semi-classical singer. Shri Talat Mahmood received Padam Bhushan in 1992 in recognition of his artistic contribution in the spheres of cinematic and ghazal music. He had a unique, elegant, and profoundly artistic style of singing. He was a very gifted singer in every sense. He was particularly famous for singing soft and somber semi-classical and non-classical ghazals. And today, Mr. Sharma is going to sing his famous song, that is Jalte Hain Jiske Liye.
जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आँखों के दिए ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत में तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आँखों के दिए ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत में तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए दर्द बन के जो मेरे दिल में रहा ढल न सका जादू बन के तेरी आँखों में रुका चल न सका दर्द बन के जो मेरे दिल में रहा ढल न सका जादू बन के तेरी आँखों में रुका चल न सका आज लाया हूँ वही गीत में तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए दिल में रख लेना इसे हाथों से ये छूटे न कहीं गीत नाजुक है मेरा शीशे से भी टूटे न कहीं दिल में रख लेना इसे हाथों से ये छूटे न कहीं गीत नाजुक है मेरा शीशे से भी टूटे न कहीं गुनगुनाऊंगा यही गीत में तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए जब तलक ना ये तेरे रस के भरे होठों से मिले यूं ही आवारा फिरेगा ये तेरी जुल्फों के तले जब तलक ना ये तेरे रस के भरे होठों से मिले यूं ही आवारा फिरेगा ये तेरी जुल्फों के तले गाए जाऊंगा यही गीत में तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आँखों के दिए ढूंढ लाऊंगा वही गीत में तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए
बहुत खूब शर्मा जी। इतने कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं। नीरव निमेश लिख रहे हैं ग्रेट चॉइस। वीरेंद्र वाघ बहुत खूब। प्रदीप जोशी about CH Atma song. He said पहली बार ये गीत सुना, बहुत good. मधु शर्मा तालियां. वीरेंद्र वाघ again, what a pick. सुनीता शुक्ला, वाह amazing. सुरभि मिश्रा, मेरा पसंदीदा गाना. दिव्यपाल शर्मा, रवि शर्मा, too good. प्रदीप जोशी, आवाज में मिठास, सुर भाव प्रधान है, खूब अच्छा. वीरेंद्र बाग, वाह. सुनीता शुक्ला, ब्यूटीफुल फेवरेट. दिव्यपाल शर्मा, वाह वाह. कमेंट्स लगातार आ रहे हैं, आपको भी अपने जो भी कमेंट्स डालने हैं. V4 न्यूज, V4 स्ट्रीम एंड ग्लोबल टीवी, इवन ऑन न्यूज गांव से और संवाद सरोकार न्यूज, जिस पे भी आप डालना चाहें उन पे कमेंट डालते रहिए. अगर हम पे वो कमेंट अभी आएंगे तो हम आपका नाम उन कमेंट्स के साथ बोलेंगे. इससे क्या होता है कि जब when we give these comments, the artists give that type of motivation, because this is an online performance. It is not an on a stage where they were waiting for the claps, but here at least your comments will encourage them. And this is basically, I would like to tell you, Mr. Sharma is performing free of charge, no charges to entertain. So we must motivate him and we must thank him for giving this type of performance. Now we are moving to the next artist, a very versatile singer. He is Mr. Hemant Kumar. Shri Hemant Kumar Mukhopadhyay, also known as Hemant Kumar, born in 1920, was a singer and music director who sang in Bengali, Hindi and other Indian languages like Marathi, Gujarati, Odia, Assamese, Tamil, Punjabi, Bhojpuri, Konkani, Sanskrit and Urdu. He won 2 national awards in the category of Best Male Playback Singer. And Mr. Sharma is singing a very popular song of Shri Hemant Kumar, Ye Nain Dare Dare.
ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो, कल की किसको खबर, एक रातों के निडर, मुझे जीने दो. रात हंसी, ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिलबर. रात हंसी, ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिलबर. और तुझसे हंसी, और तुझसे हंसी तेरा प्यार. तू जाने ना, ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो, ये नयन डरे डरे. प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम भी. प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई हम भी. मैं मान भी लूं, मैं मान भी लूं कभी हार, तू माने ना, भरे जरा पीने दो कल की किसको खबर एक रातों के निडर मुझे जीने दो
बहुत बहुत ही सुंदर, बिल्कुल सोल को छूने वाला. So we are receiving the feedbacks, and Virendra Vag said, amazing song pick again. Madhu Sharma, what a song. And also love from Raju Bhaiya. Sunita Shukla, beautiful song. Mukund Agarwal, what a treat of quality stuff. Lovely, lovely, soft and elegant, soulful voice. Ajay Gupta, only I can say superb. Virendra Vag, serious composition, soothing to the souls of these golden oldies. Keep it up high. Pradeep Joshi, touching deep in my heart. So many things are coming again and again. Now I would like to move to our next singer of the day, which he is going to sing. He is Mr. Manna Dey. Mr. Manna Dey, Shri Prabodh Chandra Dey, born in 1919, known by his stage name Manna Dey, was an internationally acclaimed Indian playback singer, music director, musician, and Indian classical vocalist. He is considered one of the most versatile and celebrated vocalists of the Hindi film industry. He was one of the playback singers credited with the success of Indian classical music in Hindi commercial movies. He debuted in the film Tamanna in 1942. After the song Upar Gagan Vishal, composed by S.D. Burman, he saw success and went on to record more than 4,000 songs till 2013. The government of India honored him with the Padam Shri in 1971, the Padam Bhushan in 2005, and the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2007. And I would like to share with you all that I had the opportunity to attend that same program where Manna Dey ji got this Dada Saheb Phalke Award at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, as I have gone to receive the national award on behalf of famous choreographer Saroj Khan for her movies where she choreographed Jab We Met. And I congratulated Mr. Manna Dey at that time, and he was down to earth and really a treat, and I cannot forget that meeting. Now I would like to move again to his song, and that is Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai.
तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है।
घायल मन का पागल पंछी उड़ने को बेकरार, उड़ने को बेकरार। पंख है कोमल, आंख है धुंधली, जाना है सागर पार, जाना है सागर पार। अब तू ही से समझा, अब तू ही से समझा। राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम, राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम। तू प्यार का सागर है। इधर झूम के गाए जिंदगी, उधर है मौत खड़ी, उधर है मौत खड़ी। कोई क्या जाने कहाँ है सीमा, उलझन आन पड़ी, उलझन आन पड़ी। कानों में जरा कह दे, कानों में जरा कह दे कि आए कौन दिशा से हम, कि आए कौन दिशा से हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है।
बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही सुंदर. We are receiving the messages continuously. Divpal Sharma says, Lal Goyal, today you have created a wonderful thing. Please repeat this type of program. Too good and so much relaxing. Viranda Wagh, brilliantly done. Madhu Sharma, evergreen gold. Sunita Shukla, soulful. Mukund Agarwal, poignant indeed. Deepak Goyal, what a nice program. Amid COVID-19 pandemic, great. Vinda Wagh has sent lots of claps. Now we are moving to the next artist, and she is Srimati Geeta Dutt. Srimati Geeta Dutt, born in 1930, was a prominent Indian playback singer and a famous Hindi and Bengali classical artist. She found prominence as a playback singer in Hindi cinema. She also sang many modern Bengali songs, both in the film and non-film genre. Postage stamps featuring Geeta Dutt were issued by Government of India in 2013 and 2016. Mr. Sharma is going to perform today, "Ae Dil Mujhe Bata De."
ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे, तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे, तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। मस्ती भरा तराना क्यों रात गा रही है, आंखों में नींद आकर क्यों दूर जा रही है। मस्ती भरा तराना क्यों रात गा रही है, आंखों में नींद आकर क्यों दूर जा रही है। दिल में कोई सितमगर अरमां जगा गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। बेताब हो रहा है ये दिल मचल मचल के, शायद ये रात बीते करवट बदल बदल के। ला 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 ला। बेताब हो रहा है ये दिल मचल मचल के, शायद ये रात बीते करवट बदल बदल के। ऐ दिल जरा संभल जा, शायद वो आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है।
बहुत सुंदर. And we are receiving messages continuously, but if I will go and read all the messages, it will take some time. I think I should move to the next artist, my favorite artist, and he's Mr. Mohammad Rafi. Mr. Mohammad Rafi, born in 1924, was considered as one of the greatest and most influential singers of the Indian subcontinent. Rafi was notable for his voice, versatility and range. His songs were varied from fast, peppy numbers to patriotic songs, sad numbers to highly romantic songs, qawwalis to ghazals and bhajans to classical songs. He was known for his ability to mold his voice to the persona and style of an actor. He received 6 Filmfare Awards and 1 National Film Award. In 1967, he was honored with the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. In 2001, Rafi was honored with the Best Singer of the Millennium title by Hero Honda and Stardust magazine. In 2013, Rafi was voted for the greatest voice in Hindi cinema in the CNN IBN poll. He has recorded songs for over 1,000 Hindi films and has sung songs in various regional Indian languages as well as foreign languages, though primarily in Hindi, Urdu and Punjabi, over which he had a strong command. He has recorded as many as 7,405 songs in many languages. And today, Mr. Sharma is going to perform or will sing his famous song, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा.
Before I start, I would like to thank Divyapal ji for being so nice and having got me the handle to this program. Thank you both very much, and I wish to thank Global TV, Paul Saab and Ian, both of them, for hand-holding and stitching things up for me to be able to sing today. Thank you all so very much.
जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, रोके जमाना चाहे रोके खुदाई तुमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा। तरसती निगाहों ने आवाज दी है, मोहब्बत की आहों ने आवाज दी है, जाने हया जाने अदा छोड़ो तरसाना तुमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, हमें जहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा।
Sorry for that.
जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, हम अपनी वफा के ना इल्जाम लेंगे, तुम्हें दिल दिया है तुम्हें जान भी देंगे, जब इश्क का सौदा किया फिर क्या घबराना, हमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा। चमकते हैं जब तक ये चांद और तारे, न टूटेंगे अब अहदो पैमा हमारे, एक दूसरा जब दे सदा हो के दीवाना, हमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, निभाना पड़ेगा।
Thank you, Ravi ji. I understood that there was a problem. I think the viewers, they should also know when Rafi ji used to sing, he also had a problem, especially in one song, that O Duniya Ke Rakhwale of Baiju Bawra, where he has done 15 retakes, but he could not sing the song and his throat started bleeding at that time. And it was the rumor, or it was said at that time in the film industry, that he will never be able to sing again. But he was determined, and Mohammad Rafi sang that song on a higher scale afterwards, and you know, history has been made. And in spite of his bleeding, he tried. And today we have seen, although Mr. Sharma is singing continuously without any break, still, yes, some problem was there on his throat, but we hope that next song, he will not have any problem. We are receiving messages. Viranda Bagh, beautiful song. Sunita Shukla, wah wah, bahut khoobsurat. Praman Pokhral, wah, very good. Ravi sir, Pradeep Joshi, my choice, you read it from telepathy, maja aa gaya, and so on. So many messages are coming, but I will not waste the time. I will move to the next artist, and he is Mukesh. Mukesh Chand Mathur, born in 1923, better known as Mukesh, was considered to be one of the most popular and accomplished playback singers of the Hindi film industry. Amongst the numerous nominations and awards, he won his song Kai Baar Yun Hi Dekha Hai from the film Rajnigandha in 1973, won him the National Film Award for Best Male Playback Singer. Mukesh was also popular as being the voice of actors Raj Kapoor, Manoj Kumar, Feroz Khan, Sunil Dutt and Dilip Kumar. And today, Mr. Sharma is going to sing a song which is very, 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 very dear to me, and that is Jeena Yahan, Marna Yahan, Iske Siwa Jana Kahan.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वहीं हम थे जहाँ, अपने यही दोनों जहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। ये मेरा गीत जीवन संगीत कल भी कोई दोहराएगा। ये मेरा गीत जीवन संगीत कल भी कोई दोहराएगा। जग को हंसाने बहरूपिया रूप बदल फिर आएगा। स्वर्ग यहीं नर्क यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वहीं हम थे जहाँ, अपने यही दोनों जहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा। कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा। भूलोगे तुम भूलेंगे वो, पर हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा। रहेंगे यहीं अपने निशान इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वहीं हम थे जहाँ, अपने यही दोनों जहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ।
So while you take over, I'll just take half a minute and join you.
Yes, yes. No problem. I will be talking to the viewers. See, we are receiving the messages continuously. Mr. Raman Pokhral, Ravi sir, clapping. Then Hemlata Bhandari, beautiful songs. Wow, wonderful. Congratulations for this wonderful program. So you have seen that how a performer can even change our mood. And today in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, when we all are facing so much tension, whether it's a health issues or whether the financial or otherwise, this type of program is, I am sure, is definitely a change, and it will be going to change the mood. And once you feel relaxed, definitely your immunity will increase. Please do write to us on Global TV or V4 News or V4 Stream or News Gaon Se or Samvad Sarokar News, wherever, about your choice, whether you like this program or not, because if we feel that, yes, if you want this type of program, that at least once in a month or once in a fortnight, we can bring artists who can perform, entertain, because we know that today the conditions of the country, or rather the entire world, is such everybody is under tension, whether he's a young or old. And our endeavor is not to only enlighten the persons for the current topics or the COVID-19 impact, but to keep moral high. And for that, definitely we want your support, and the support in the form of your appreciation or whatsoever. If you want to criticize, please feel free to criticize. Our aim is not to go for any type of shouting media. We want to be a very, very positive media, just to tell everybody that India can survive with positive media also. Thank you for bearing with us. Mr. Sharma is back. Now I'm going for the next artist, and the next artist is everybody's favorite, Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar, born in 1929, is one of the best known and most respected playback singer in India. She has recorded over 25,000 songs in over 1,000 Hindi films, and has sung songs in over 36 regional Indian languages and foreign languages, through primarily in Marathi, Hindi, Bengali, and Assamese. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award was bestowed on her in 1989. In 2001, in recognition of her contribution to the nation, she was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, and she is the only second vocalist after M.S. Subbalakshmi to receive this honor. France conferred on her its highest civilian award, the Officer of the Legion of Honor, in 2007. She is the recipient of 3 National Film Awards, 15 Bengal Film Journalist Association Awards, 4 Filmfare Best Female Playbacks Awards, 2 Filmfare Special Awards, Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award, and many, many more. In 1974, she became the first Indian to perform in the Royal Albert Hall, London. And today, Mr. Sharma is taking us back in our childhood by singing her favorite song, Ek Tha Bachpan.
एक था बचपन, एक था बचपन, छोटा सा नन्हा सा बचपन, एक था बचपन, बचपन के एक बाबूजी थे, अच्छे सच्चे बाबूजी थे। दोनों का सुंदर था बंधन, एक था बचपन। टहनी पर चढ़ के जब फूल बुलाते थे, हाथ उचके तो टहनी तक न जाते थे। बचपन के नन्हे दो हाथ उठाकर वो फूलों से हाथ मिलाते थे। एक था बचपन, एक था बचपन। चलते 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 जाने कब इन राहों में बाबूजी बस गए बचपन की बाहों में। मुट्ठी में बंद है वो सूखे फूल अभी, खुशबू है जीने की चाहों में। एक था बचपन, एक था बचपन। होठों पर उनकी आवाज भी है, मेरे होठों पर उनकी आवाज भी है। सांसों में सौंपा विश्वास भी है। जाने किस मोड़ पे कब मिल जाएंगे वो, पूछेंगे बचपन का एहसास भी है। एक था बचपन, एक था बचपन, छोटा सा नन्हा सा बचपन, एक था बचपन।
शर्मा जी, आपने तो मुझे मेरे आंखों में आंसू ला दिए। इतना सोलफुल गाना आपने गाया।
Thank you, sir.
Yes, we are receiving messages continuously. Mr. Ian Lobo, wonderful singing, Ravi ji. You have an euphonious voice. Vrindavag, another awesome number. Deepak Goyal, क्या बात है शर्मा जी। कलाकार, एक फनकार, एक बहुत सुंदर। आशा गोयल, प्रणाम। प्रोखल, आहा, दैट आएगा। Sunita Shukla, awesome. Raj Sharma, marvelous. Vrindavag, listening to you on Mukesh ji is as good as listening to original. Vrindavag, Goel ji, nothing like music to heal. You must bring in these kinds of program. Again, Vrindavag says the only and only Lata ji. Surbhi Mishra, Guru ji, aapka jawab nahi. Vrindavag, such a heart-touching song. Hemlata Bandari, once in fortnight or once in a month, especially on Sundays, if you keep this type of program, it will be so good. I really appreciate you for organizing this wonderful program. And so many other messages are coming continuously. We have to see the time also. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. And now we are moving for our next artist. He's all-time green, Kishore Kumar. Abbas Kumar Ganguly, born in 1929, better known by his stage name Kishore Kumar, was an Indian playback singer, actor, music director, lyricist, writer, director, producer, and screenwriter. He was one of the most popular singers in the Indian film industry for his soft numbers to peppy tracks to romantic moods. Apart from Hindi, he sang in many Indian languages, including Bengali, Marathi, Assamese, Gujarati, Kannada, Bhojpuri, Malayalam, and Urdu. He also sang on private albums in several languages, especially in Bengali. He won 8 Filmfare Awards for Best Male Playback Singer and holds the record for winning the most Filmfare Awards in that category. He was awarded the Lata Mangeshkar Award by the Madhya Pradesh government in 1985-86. In 1997, the Madhya Pradesh government initiated an award called the Kishore Kumar Award for contributions to Hindi cinema. In 2012, Kishore Kumar's unreleased last song sold for rupees 15,60,000 at the Oceans Cinefan auction in New Delhi. And Mr. Sharma is going to sing his very favorite song, mine also, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ.
खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ, खिल के बिखरने को, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ, खिल के बिखरने को, मिलते हैं दिल यहाँ, के बिखरने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ। कल रहे ना रहे मौसम ये प्यार का, कल रुके ना रुके डोला बहार का। कल रहे ना रहे मौसम ये प्यार का, कल रुके ना रुके डोला बहार का। चार पल मिले जो आज प्यार में गुजार दे, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ। खिल के बिखरने को मिलते हैं दिल यहाँ, मिल के बिछड़ने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ। झीलों के होठों पर मेघों का राग है, फूलों के सीने में ठंडी ठंडी आग है। झीलों के होठों पर मेघों का राग है, फूलों के सीने में ठंडी ठंडी आग है। दिल के आईने में तू ये समा उतार ले, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ। खिल के बिखरने को मिलते हैं दिल यहाँ, मिल के बिछड़ने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ। प्यासा है दिल सनम, प्यासी ये रात है, होठों में दबी दबी कोई मीठी बात है। प्यासा है दिल सनम, प्यासी ये रात है, होठों में दबी दबी कोई मीठी बात है। इन लम्हों से आज तू हर खुशी निखार दे, खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ। खिल के बिखरने को मिलते हैं दिल यहाँ, मिल के बिछड़ने को खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ।
बहुत खूबसूरत शर्मा जी। We are receiving message. Madhu Sharma, super. Mukta Vaishnav, very nice session. Virendra Wagh, aha, soul stirring indeed. Surbhi Mishra, kya baat hai. Sunita Shukla, close to my heart. Sunita Shukla, thanks for this song. Pradeep Joshi, beautifully sung. Ravi Babu, stay blessed. Mukta Vaishnav, in COVID duration, it is very important. Shripal Sharma, out of box concept in these trying circumstances. My compliments to Mr. Goel. Virendra Wagh, thanks Goel ji for information on all these legends, doing a great job. Mukta Vaishnav, very heart touching songs. So many messages are continuously coming and we have paucity of time, so I will not take much time and go to my next artist, and she is most versatile, that is Asha Bhosle. Asha Bhosle, born in 1933, is best known for her playback singer in Hindi cinema. Asha Bhosle's career started in 1943 and has spanned over 7 decades. She has done playback singing for over 1,000 Bollywood movies. In addition, she has recorded several private albums and participated in numerous solo concerts in India and abroad. Asha Bhosle was officially acknowledged by the Guinness Book of World Record as the most recorded artist in music history. The government of India honored her with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2000 and the Padam Vibhushan in 2008. And Mr. Sharma is going to sing the Shishe Se Pi Ya पैमाने से. And I would like to remind our young viewers, GYAN stands for Global Youth Activity Network. And please don't think that today we are only talking of the oldies. We want you to be involved, and you can think, you can see yourself how rich culture India is having. So many great artists, those who have given so many good songs, old songs, which you can ask to your parents and grandparents. And this song, definitely the young generation will also like. It's an evergreen song. Mr. Sharma, please.
Wish to seize this opportunity to thank everybody in the audience. A few names that I remember is Vrinda ji, Sunita ji, Raj ji, and few others, Pradeep ji. Wish to thank each one of you, and all the others I'm not able to sort of remember.
Sharma ji, we will be sending all the messages to you after your program.
Thank you so much.
शीशे से पी या मैं खाने से पी, या मेरी आँखों के मैं खाने से पी, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने. शीशे से पी या पैमाने से पी, या मेरी आँखों के मैं खाने से पी, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने. शीशे से पी या पैमाने से पी. हुस्न खड़ा है तेरी राहों में, डाल दे बाहें जरा बाहों में. हुस्न खड़ा है तेरी राहों में, डाल दे बाहें जरा बाहों में. रात सुहानी है, बहकी जवानी है, पीले निगाहों ही निगाहों में. शीशे से पी या पैमाने से पी, या मेरी आँखों के मैं खाने से पी, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने. शीशे से पी या पैमाने से पी. La 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 la. देखिए घड़ी फिर न आएगी, जुल्फों की घटा फिर न छाएगी. देखिए घड़ी फिर न आएगी, जुल्फों की घटा फिर न छाएगी. बात समझ मेरी, कल ये उम्र तेरी मौसम की तरह बीत जाएगी. शीशे से पी या पैमाने से पी, या मेरी आँखों के मैं खाने से पी, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने, पर पी दीवाने खुशी से जी दीवाने. शीशे से पी या पैमाने से पी.
Thank you very much, Sharma ji, for giving such a good song in your voice. Virendra Wagh, another awesome song pickup. of another legendary singer, Madhu Sharma, Sarji Lovett, Sunita Shukla. You are all in one. Raviji, superb. Hemlata Bhandari, great song. Surbhi Mishra, Behreen. Vindhya Wagh again. Wah, superbly done. Raviji, Surbhi Mishra, wah. Pranam, Praman Pokhrel, clapping. Vrinda Wagh, my most favorite. Wow, Surbhi Mishra, बहुत बढ़िया anchoring, sir. Vrinda Wagh, the only and one and only versatile melody queen, Asha ji. And Vrinda Wagh, kya baat hai. So messages are pouring in, and but we have to see the time also. Now the next, we are now moving towards the Ghazal section now, because so the Ghazal, as you know, the first name which comes to our mind is Jagjit Singh. Jagmohan Singh Dhiman, born in 1941, popularly known as Jagjit Singh, was called the Ghazal King or King of Ghazals. He was a Ghazal singer, composer, and musician. He sang in numerous languages and is credited for the revival and popularity of Ghazal by choosing poetry that was relevant to the masses and composing them in a way that laid more emphasis on the meanings of words and melody evoked by them. In terms of Indian classical music, his style of composing and gaiki is considered as Bol Pradhan, one that lays emphasis on words. Jagjit Singh is considered to be the most successful Ghazal singer and composer of all time in terms of critical acclaim and commercial success. With a career spanning 5 decades and many albums, the range and breadth of his work has been regarded as genre defining. His 1987 album, Beyond Time, was the first digitally recorded release in India. He was regarded as one of the India's most influential artists. He lent active support to several philanthropic NGOs such as the Library at St. Mary's School, Mumbai, Bombay Hospital, CRY, Save the Children, and Alma. Jagjit Singh was awarded the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India in 2003, and in February 2014, the government released a set of 2 postal stamps in his honor. And today, Mr. Sharma is singing his favorite and everybody's favorite, Hoton Se Chhulo.
होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। बन जाओ गीत मेरे, मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो। होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन, ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन। जब प्यार करे कोई तो देखे केवल मन, नई रीत चला कर तुम, ये रीत अमर कर दो। नई रीत चला कर तुम, ये रीत अमर कर दो। आकाश का सूनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में, का सूनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में, पायल छनकाती तुम आ जाओ जीवन में, सांसें देकर अपनी संगीत अमर कर दो, संगीत अमर कर दो, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। जग ने छीना मुझसे मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा, जग ने छीना मुझसे मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा, सब जीता किए मुझसे मैं हरदम ही हारा, तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत अमर कर दो, तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत अमर कर दो।
बहुत खूब शर्मा जी, हम तो ये कहेंगे कि आज आपने हमारा प्रोग्राम को अमर करा, और इतनी डिमांड आ रही है मेरे पास कि एक्सटेंड कीजिए टाइम को, क्योंकि हमारा टाइम खत्म होने वाला है। और आई एम थैंकफुल टू V4 न्यूज एंड ऑल अदर ग्लोबल टीवी एंड अदर चैनल्स, दे हैव agreed to extend for few more minutes, so we will take the last song. Before that, Vindava said वाह, Kavita Chaudhary old is gold, outstanding, Madhu Sharma क्या बात है, then what a pick, Ravi ji, Vindavag, Divyapal Sharma beautiful song, Sunita Shukla mast wala, Pranam Praman Pokhral perfect, Surbhi Mishra clapping, Mukta Vashne old is always gold, old song is good, Hemlata Bhandari nice songs, Divyapal Sharma very versatile singer, Pradeep Joshi again clapping, Mukta Vashne kya baat hai, Surbhi Mishra ha kya baat hai, Virendra Bagh a die hard fan of Jagjit ji that you are, Ravi ji, I wish Jagjit was here to listen to you. सुरभि मिश्रा बात निकलेगी तो फिर दूर तक जाएगी, भी सुनाएंगे ना गुरुजी। आई एम श्योर नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल अगेन रिक्वेस्ट शर्मा जी टू कम। सो मेनी मैसेजेस आर कमिंग, आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई विल टेक नाउ, आई विल फर्स्ट गो फॉर द लास्ट सॉन्ग व्हिच इज ऑफ मिस्टर पंकज उदास। Pankaj Udas is a ghazal singer, has started his career with a release of a ghazal album titled Ahat in 1980 and subsequently recorded many hits like Mukarrar in 1981, Tarannum in 1982, Mehfil in 1983, Pankaj Udas live at Royal Albert Hall in 1984, Nayab in 1985 and Afreen in 1986. Pankaj Udas rose to further fame for singing in the 1986 film Naam, in which his song Chithi Aayi Hai became an instant hit. In 2006, Pankaj Udas was awarded Padam Shri. I will just take very few seconds to inform that I was in Stuttgart, Germany, when this song was released, and it was played in a hostel there in a college. And I saw that the students, when they were sitting in the hall, they started crying. All Indians were crying, listening this Chithi Aayi Hai. It has become a cult at the time. But today, and in 2006, Pankaj Udas was awarded Padam Shri, and today he is going to sing Chandi Jaisa Rang Hai Tera.
चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। जिस रास्ते से तू गुजरे वो फूलों से भर जाए, जिस रास्ते से तू गुजरे वो फूलों से भर जाए, तेरे पैर की कोमल आहट सोते भाग जगाए, जो पत्थर छू ले गोरी तू वो हीरा बन जाए, तू जिसको मिल जाए वो, तू जिसको मिल जाए वो तो जाए माला माल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। जो बेरंग हो उस पर क्या क्या रंग जमाते लोग, जो बेरंग हो उस पर क्या क्या रंग जमाते लोग, तू नादान न जाने कैसे रूप चुराते लोग, नजरें भर भर देखें तुझको आते जाते लोग, छैल छबीली रानी थोड़ा, छैल छबीली रानी थोड़ा घूंघट और निकाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। झलक घटा कलियां और तारे सब है तेरे रूप, झलक घटा कलियां और तारे सब है तेरा रूप, गजलें हो या गीत हो मेरे सब में तेरा रूप, यूं ही चमकती रहे हमेशा तेरे हुस्न की धूप, तुझे नजर न लगे किसी की, तुझे नजर न लगे किसी की, जिए हजारों साल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल, एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब कंगाल।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शर्मा जी आपका कि आपने इतने सोलफुल गाने सुनाए। सुनीता शुक्ला ब्यूटीफुल, मुक्ता अब्बास ने इस सदाबहार गीत और गजल्स में सोल है, वेरी नाइस सिंगिंग। वृंदावाग, यू आर अवर जगजीत जी, द गजल मास्टर ऑफ वृंदावाग सोल, so singing absolutely. Ajay Gupta bringing all legends of Indian music on one platform is really awesome. Vrindavag clapping, wow, says Pokhral. Pradeep Joshi, my favorite ghazal, very beautifully sung. Your voice is so touching. Dr. Neelam Singh, heart-touching voice. Special thanks from Global TV for the great moments. Mr. Paul has sent this to you. Dr. Neelam Singh, thanks Goel sir for this program. Then Pokhral said beautiful. Surbhi Mishra, बहुत खूब जी. Mukta Vash ne, wow, song selection is very good. Vrindavag, वहाँ एक से बढ़कर एक जेम्स पेश किया आपने, मजा आ गया. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया गुरुजी, thanks heartily for giving us this treat. Stay blessed, keep enthralling. Madhu Sharma, lovely. And Sunita Sharma, clapping. Muktavash ne, very motivational singing session. Vindavak, thanks a million Goelji and team for this musical treat. Thoroughly enjoyed. God bless you and your fabulous team. Raj Sharma, thank you, bhai, for taking us on this soulful journey over the last hour and a half. More power to you. Compliments to Goel Saab for the great initiative. Deepak Goel, fantastic program. Must be repeated fortnightly. Vrindavag, best wishes to you to grow far and wide and reach out to many more. Spreading happiness galore. Pokhral was missing you. Your singing for long, Ravi sir. Thanks for this session and thanks to the organizing team and Goelji enjoyed it. Vrindavag, again clap. Manoj Joshi, amazing. What a voice. So you have seen today the songs sung by Mr. Ravi Sharma. It's not easy to sing a song of different, or the songs of the different artists, all top artists, not only of India, I can say that they are the #1 in the entire world, who has ruled the country now and the world because of their soulful singing. And today, Mr. Ravi Sharma has brought us back to the same era where we were. Thank you very much, Sharma ji, that you have come to our studio and given this opportunity to all our viewers to listen the view. You're such a silky and a very soulful voice. Thank you very much. So viewers, you have seen this program today. We have just taken a break. We have from the very, very serious discussions which are taking place every day with lots of guests. But today we have come out with a new program. If you like it, if you have any comments, please put it on V4 News, V4 Stream, or Global TV, or News Gaon Se, or to Samvad Sarokar News, who have telecasted this program live today, as well as it was shown live on Facebook and YouTube. And tomorrow, again, we are going back to our original program. And tomorrow is a very, very serious topic, that is daughters' right in property. Yes, there was a recent Supreme Court judgment. So on that light, we would like to discuss this topic, that is daughters' right in property. And our eminent guests are Advocate Ramesh Kumar Sharma, Mathura, Advocate Pratibha Sharma, Vrindavan, Advocate Shalini Goyal, High Court, Allahabad, Advocate Sakshi Sharma, High Court, Delhi. Please tune in tomorrow for media conference with Lal Goyal at 10:30 a.m. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ravi Sharma ji, for giving us so much time. And I must thanks to all my media partners for extending the time for the benefit of the viewers on their request. Thank you very much, and thank you, viewers.